Hello traders, good morning or good evening, depends from which country you are. I came back on the chart of GJ and these are the lines of yesterday. But before, I want to go to the Forex factory to see what do we have here. And today it's Thursday, 14th of January, and again as I told you, I like to call it. Today it's a clear sky, only that at 7:30 my time will be some news on USD. Powell will speak, and most probably it's gonna move a little bit the market, but I don't think in the same time that he will have the speech, maybe after 20 or 30 minutes. Okay, but we will be on the chat and maybe we'll discuss what will happen. Hi, hello. GJ is going down. Well, GJ, it's possible that it will come again to retest this high here. We have this possibility, you know. This may be because if we are doing like this, we can say that it's possible for this pair to continue to go up, and if we look closer, I will try to make the candles even bigger for you to see it. Okay, so now here DJ it's trying to create like a support, and there is it's still time for this candle to go up and maybe to fill this week. So I don't think for a moment that GJ will go down. I don't know, maybe I am wrong, maybe only just playing here, but we should wait to see it. Let me clear also this candle, and I want to leave it on the 4 hour and to put here the support, and the support we have it exactly here where we had this red wick. Okay, and if you look on the 4 hour candle, we have only bullish candles, so if there is momentum, then this wick it will be filled. Okay, but we have to wait to see. Also, let me see on the 30-minute how it looks. It's possible that this candle it will come to this area at 142 250, let's say. Let me see also on the 15. On the 15-minute it's playing here, maybe it's gonna reject this area, and I'm thinking about this because also if you look on the left side here, you have this range zone, but I'm not so concerned because this is on the 15-minute, but I was thinking that maybe the price will do like this, come back down, and again to go up again. But we should see. I hope you are doing well. Yes, I'm fine, thank you. I hope you are well too, and everybody from the chat and from YouTube, all the people that they are watching me. So this is with GJ. If I will see something similar like yesterday. Definitely we will have a trade together, but you have to concentrate because I will not scream here on the on YouTube that I mean, okay? You have to understand exactly what I'm doing, because in the same time I explain you and I give you free knowledge. So let's go also to other pairs like GU. I think it may do the same thing. Maybe it's gonna come to this area and we have to see if it's going to break it to come to retest this week here, or it's going to be like a retest again and then the price to come down. We don't know, we have to wait, because also what's the time, it's almost 2:30 and we still have 1 hour and 41 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close. I don't know if you noticed that the candle at the midday, that means 12 o'clock my time, you can Google it and you will find out. This candle, it's bigger than this one, so it's better to play this one than this one, okay? Or maybe the next candle it will be even better. For a moment we have only to wait, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask me, okay? What I wanted to say, this one on the 4-hour, yes, it may come. I don't know why do I have this. I will take it out because this, I don't know from where it came because I don't use it. So we have here this area. Yes, the price, it may come again to this zone to retest it and then to come back down again. And as you can see here, the price is trying to fill this week, and most probably after it's gonna finish doing this, it's gonna reject and then it's gonna come back down again. We have to see, we cannot predict everything, and that's why I can give you some advices that when you are trading, try not to trade all the pairs on the screen, because believe me, you will lose. You have to concentrate, let's say, on maximum, if you are a good trader, maximum 4 pairs in a day, because you can lose. Okay, so now I want to see what GJ is trying to do here. I told you that it may reject a little bit here. I was talking about on the 15-minute chart, if you remember, that I said that I'm not so concerned about this area, but we can have this possibility that the candle may reject from here, come down and come up again. And maybe when the 4-hour candle will close, then the price will shoot up, and maybe now in this hour, we still have 38 minutes for this 1-hour candle to close. Maybe it's gonna be like this, very calm. So next candle, it should be the one that it will move. Do you have any pair that you want me to have a look? You can write it here on the chat, and I will do it for you. Later on I will, if you are watching my Instagram page, I will put something very interesting. I will put some charts, and you have to tell me if there is a buy or a sell. This is very interesting because they are like tests, and there is only price action or without any trend lines or support and resistance and so on. You have to take it logically and to answer if there is a buy or a sell. This I will put it on my Instagram after I will finish this live stream, and if you are interested you can answer there. So you don't have any questions? You don't have any pairs that you want to see? This is from, my god, this is very old, but it came back down in the range zone. So you see, for so much time, Euro JPY, it's still in the range zone. I don't know what. I don't know what's happening with my computer. Okay. Good. So coming back to Euro JPY, let me delete this one, and it's very simple. Euro JPY, it came back in the range zone. It's very difficult, but in the same time it's very profitable to trade in the range zone. And I don't suggest you to trade it like this when you don't have experience, because there are some little tricks here, let's call them like this, and you can lose. So you have to know very well how this pair is moving and what the market can give you, and like this you can go into the trade. But again, I tell you, you need experience for you to trade in a range zone. I don't trade too much in the range zone because I like to catch the big moves, like for example, where do we have the brush here? I like this kind of moves, okay? Because here you have a lot of pips and you can make beautiful money. So I'm trying to find candles that they are looking like this big, not like this. This is not really for me, but when I don't have, let's say, like another alternative, and at the same time it gives me a very good setup, yes, I can take a buy or a sell on the range zone. So coming back to GJ, I can see that it's rejecting that area. Let me put it again. What are you doing? Okay. I want to leave it like this big for you to see it. Okay. So here we have the support, here we have the resistance. I saw it like this, like a trend line, and I set let me put it, but I can delete it. I really don't need it because I have it in my head. So sometimes you can have them, some trend lines or some other stuff in your head. I mean, you don't have, really don't have to draw them. And now we are waiting to see how the price will react around this area. So we still have almost 2 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and I really want to see how this candle will close. So no questions, no nothing. You are very quiet today. Are you sad? Are you sleepy? If you are not happy, then I can close my stream and see you on the chat. Let me see. Where is it? This one should continue to go up. This is a 30-minute, 4-hour. This one, it may reject from here. Yeah, it's very strange. Let me see also, where is it? It's one of my favorite. They don't give you these live charts.co.uk. They don't give you, let's say, like a real statistic of what's happening right now with euro or with GPY or with the other currency pairs. But it's funny because I like to check it. Let me reload it. And now it's saying that euro it's weak, and GBP it's stronger, and JPY is the same like GBP. So let's see how this 30-minute candle will close here. Maybe it closed already, yes. So it closed in blue, that means a bullish candle, and we have to wait to see if the price will continue to go up or not. Not closed yet. I am watching your analysis, just listening. Okay. So as you can see also on the 30-minute, the wicks are filled. You have to learn and read about this. This is very interesting because usually when there is momentum, wicks are filled, and I explained you also yesterday. Let me see. Hello, sorry for later joining. Don't worry, I'm here. I'm not running anywhere. I'm just waiting for a beautiful setup for GJ to have a buy, because definitely this one, in my opinion, I think on the 4-hour, this candle, it should go up again to retest again this area. This is like let me call it again, this is like break, okay, coming down. This is the retest, and this is coming back up again to retest again this area, and that means that this week it should be filled. So I explained you also yesterday, this is the most beautiful and profitable setup that you can looking for. This is on the, let's say, like a bullish momentum, because I explain you, if you put your chart and your candles are coming from this way, this left corner, that means that you are like in a bullish trend, you see. And if it's the opposite, coming from this corner, that means that your candles are going down, there is a bearish momentum. So for a moment candles are still going up. I wanted to say that you should try to find this setup. It's very profitable, because when you see one candle that it's rejecting this area, you can take a buy. I don't say that you have to do it on the 4 hour, but you can try it on the 15-minute. Also, you can find this setup everywhere, because the market is repeating, the candles are repeating all the time, and you have different setups, but this is one of the profitable setups which I make money. Okay, so you can try it on the 15-minute, and not to use a big lot, a small lot, and you can use it with 0.01, there is no shame. Or you can try it on demo until you will see that you are profitable. So that's why I said you don't have to trade all the time, because not all the time you have this kind of setups. And that's why I say that you don't have to be all the time in the market, because some traders, for example, are coming on the market, let's say they put like alerts, and I have the same here. You see I have this line here, I have an alert if GG is crossing from this area or not, I can take a sell. So they do nothing until the price it's arriving here, it gives me the alert, and in that moment I know what to do with this pair, if I'm gonna leave it to do whatever it wants, or I can take a sell or a buy. Depends on what's happening on the market, and including also because we are here with GJ about the Brexit and many other things. So that's why I said, and I repeat, you have to be very calm, and you don't have to take every move of the market. And as you can see, now the candle it's trying to continue to go up, and if we are taking a buy here, let me see something. If so if this candle it's breaking this area, okay, we still have 22 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. If the candle is going to break and close above this area, then we can take a buy. And if we measure, we have almost 20 pips profit. or I explained you yesterday, you can take 10 pips, but it's like you are doubling your lot size and you place the order twice or third time, and like this you can make beautiful money. But in the same time you have to be very sure that that trade is going into your favor. So this is on the 15-minute. You remember I said that the candle will reject from here and then it's going to continue to go up. Now we have to wait at least the 30-minute candle to see where it wants to close above this resistance, because if we go back on the 1 hour, this is a resistance, not a big one, a small one, but we have the resistance because we have this wick here, and in the same time we have this support format, because here the price was like ranging for a few hours and it couldn't break until it happened something like news, or it was maybe the 4-hour candle, it just closed, or it started a new one, and so on. And that's why we had momentum, and the candle, it went down and break through this resistance. Euro GBP looks like a retest again, and I think it's to create 3 bottoms. What? I don't understand. On the 1 hour it looks like it's in a range zone. Okay, and I thought that this one is going to break it, and it's gonna continue to go up, okay, at least to retest again this area. But as you can see, the price is just playing here until something will happen, maybe in about 1 hour and 20 minutes, I think this 4-hour candle will close. Yes, maybe after this 4-hour candle will close, the next one, maybe it's going to push up. So I think that it has to reject from this area. Even if you look at here, I put like a trend line, and in the rest is just like very simple, it's only price action. And I believe that the price, it has to reject from here. And you see here it came down, rejected. Here it came down, it rejected. And if you look closer, now I saw it. Where is it? My brush. If you look here, the price close it lower. Here you see where we have the wick, and this one a little bit higher, and maybe this one is gonna be a little bit higher too. So we have to see how the price will react here, but I think that Euro GBP, it's going to shoot up. Oh, where is it? Remove. I have here also. Okay. So I see it like this, and I am waiting to see how the price will react around this area. Let's go back to GJ. GJ is pushing up, and I want to see how it's reacting. Okay, GJ is trying to push up even more. Let me leave it on the 15-minute. Okay. Sometimes you can miss trades. Okay. Well, because how do I say, well, because you can miss an entry. That's why I said you don't have to trade too many pairs, and you have to concentrate on maximum, let's say 4 trades a day if you are a very professional trader and very profitable trader, because when you are looking to some other pairs, you can miss the entry to the other one. Even if you did a very good setup, even if you had let's say a very good risk management and so on, you can miss a trade because you are looking to something else. It's like me on the chart of euro GBP explaining what's happening here, and GJ starting to do his moving without me and without my entry. And don't worry, because this is happening very often in the market, to miss the trade, but this is not like the end of the world. It's happening, and you should not feel let's say sad or nervous, or I don't know how you react. So in this moment we are waiting also on the 15-minute to give us a very small confirmation for GJ what is trying to do, and let's see if it's going to close above or under. Who EuroCAD looks oversold? It's possible, I don't know. I didn't look to EuroCAD. I will look right now. Just a second. I have so many computers here. Okay. Sorry, you said EuroCAD. Okay. EuroCAD, not 15. Let's put it on the 4 hour. 4 hour, 4 hour. Let's do the candles a little bit smaller. Yes, it's oversold. It did this. It's not here. Where is it? It's here. Okay. So EuroCAD did this, but in the same time it still has room for the candle to do this. Okay, even if it's oversold, depends on what's happening with euro or with CAD. The price may continue to push down to retest again this area, and after that the price may reject from here and then to shoot up again. Let's put it on the daily, and on the daily yeah, on the daily it's like in a range area, and also this one, yeah, it may have, this is on the monthly, it still has room. If you have some analysis, you can put them on the how you say, here on the chat. Oh no, or I can take it from here. Wait 1 second. Let's see. Euro GBP. If it breaks this area, we can go again to retest 88,750. This is the support. Retrace created, retrace, buy above. Yes, this is a very good example, and thank you so much for sending this one. And I would love that all the people from the group, they can start to do this, because if you're doing this every day, you will exercise and you will become better and better. So if you want from now on, also when I am on live on the group chat, you can send them, but it's even better to send some ideas on the YouTube when we have the live session. So this is a very, very good example of what I'm trying to explain you, that you should start to do analysis. This is a very good one. Bravo. And you should wait exactly for what you said here. And I have a question. Do you have also a trading plan? So yes, for EuroCAD, I think there is room to continue to go down. Even here we have a huge mess. Coming back to GJ, I can see that also on the 1 hour. I can't send link on YouTube because I'm blocked from send link. Okay, send it on the group and on the Telegram, and I will open it from Telegram. No problem. So coming back to GJ, I was hoping to find a very good setup for today for this one, but I don't like how it's rejecting this area. So if you have some other analysis, please, you can send them on the Telegram group, and I will open them here for you and for all the people to see that you are very involved and that you are doing a very good job. Do you have any other questions? Thank you. With pleasure. I really don't like how the market looks today. It's very, how do I say, very fishy. I mean, I can see something and then in 1 second everything gets changed. I mean, look at GJ, for example, because now we are playing with GJ, and we are playing with GJ because it's very it's moving very fast, it's very volatile, and you can make beautiful pips and very fast, but in the same time GJ, it's like let's say like gold. You have to be very careful, because it can move sometimes very fast. Believe me, one day I had a huge drawdown, and stupid me, I didn't put a stop loss. And again, this is another thing. Don't trade without the stop loss, because you will end up without the account, and it's very sad. So that's this I wanted to say with GJ, that it's moving very, very much, and but in the same time, if you know how to trade it and if you wait, you can make very fast pips, like it happened yesterday. I explained you before, and then I just entered and I did very fast 20 pips. Okay, and now I can see that it's rejecting. Do you have any idea of what may happen here with GJ? Now it's like a question. It's like you have to tell me where do you think that it will move GJ. So as you can see, we have here a strong area on the 1 hour, and it's rejecting very hard this zone. So you should tell me. Let me put it also on the daily. On the daily, it still has room to continue to go up, but we still have one more day for this move to happen. Maybe sometimes the price will not come to this area, and maybe it's going to retrace from here, coming back down, maybe come up again, or maybe it's going to break this area and to come back down again. What did you say that? And the risk is balanced. Okay. We still have 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and even 1 hour. And then we're gonna be in the last 1 minute. I said 1 minute, my God. We're gonna be in the 4-hour candle when it's gonna close, and maybe the price, it may shoot up. This I am waiting to see where the price will close. I want you to be very to understand that it's very important for you to wait. Okay, I will leave the chart like this. But now is to service from level when its break has going up. If rejections going down, support is created here from yesterday on the New York session, bravo, and it's breaking out after. Very good. Now can somebody else send this kind of I mean, you have to be, how you say, I'm not here alone, I'm here with you, and you should, let's say, we should communicate. It's not only me speaking. And you can write, and we have the possibility to send from TradingView pictures, and like this we can understand better what's happening on the market. So what do you think, Eric, that it may you can see the price going down and coming again to this area at 141,700, because we have also this possibility. We are not we cannot know everything, but it's very good that you are doing this, because it will help you, and your trading system will improve very fast. And as you can see, we still have 3 minutes for this 30-minute and 1 hour candle to close, and we are rejecting heavily from here. As you can see, the candle, it's playing from red to blue, you see, and that means that the sellers are coming and they are trying to put orders for sales. again I say that yes, when you see this kind of rejections, let me see how big is this rejection here. 12, 13 pips, okay. Because okay, I want to say something else. If for example you have let's say if your idea was a buy, you don't have to jump in a sell because it didn't was a buy as you said, and if it's not a buy then it's a sell. Before going into that sell, you must do like a setup. You need like a setup like Eric sent it before. You saw that picture with GJ. If you can use the trading view, it's free and it's very useful. You have a lot of tools here and you can use them, and in the same time you can share the image with me, and like this you will improve your knowledge. And now we are in the 1 hour candle, and we have almost 1 minute for this 1 hour candle to close, and we have a big rejection. And to be honest, I really don't like how this GJ looks today. It's very, very dangerous. It may continue to go down, but for me it's a big range on GJ, and it's not seems to look for a buy or a sell in this moment. You cannot say that it's a range. A range doesn't look like this. Where is it? It's here. A brush. A range doesn't look like this, going up or going down. Okay, a range it's like this. Sorry, like this. Okay. It may reject from here, only it's very difficult because you don't know that when you see this kind of candles, that means that you can see a pressure from a sellers, and there is the possibility for the price to come and to come back down to retest again this area. You never know. You wanted to say that it's in a range because, let me put it like this, you wanted to say that it's in a range. Yes, it could be also this one and this two to be the fake out, and that means that if these two are the fake outs, that means that the candle should continue to go down. We have also this possibility if you don't want to trade it, and if you don't feel okay, it's very good and it's your opinion and I respect it, and I'm very happy that you communicate with me. So we still have 1 hour for this 4 hour candle to close, and I told you I was expecting that this candle to flip into a bullish candle and maybe for the price to retest again this area, but maybe this will not happen, and Eric hits right. Even if we are in the range zone, the price may continue to go down. So I think that we can take, I don't know why, but I have a feeling that this candle is going to reject from here and it's gonna go up. So let's go to, I don't know, let's see also some other pairs. You tell me. Not GCAD, this one. You tell me, what pair would you like to see? Because if we don't see too much movement, for more full me, okay, let's see. So price can stay in this zone for a long time. Okay, rejection here, rejection, rejection. Okay, client traffic, support, resistance, perfect. It looks amazing. But in the same time, we can have the rejection from here and the price to shoot up. That's why I said you cannot be 100% of what you're saying or 100% of what I'm saying, because you never know how the market can move. So if you want to see another pair, you can tell me, and we can have it here on the screen. Maybe you want to see something else like Euro USD. My God, Euro USD is going down. It's going down heavily. Why I have this line here? Very beautifully. Let me see. Do we have some news here or something? No. The currency, I can see that euro is very weak. GBP, also according of what Eric said, if I'm taking this with this, that means that these two pairs are in a range zone, so nothing much. Euro USD, I am now on with the Euro USD, and for Euro USD, let me see on the daily. Yeah, but it's too much to go here. Yeah, maybe tomorrow. Here we have the support, and here we have the resistance, but it's we can see that maybe Euro USD is going to reject from this area. DXA, it's raising sharply. Yes, I'm not watching that one. So this one I really don't like how it looks. I cannot say take a buy or a sell, or it looks very, very ugly. No, I really don't like how it looks. So yeah, the price may come to this area and maybe to reject and maybe to come down again, because as you can see it like rejecting this zone and coming back down. So waiting to see what it's trying to do. This on the 4 hour, 1 hour it's like rejecting. 30 minute, it looks like the same, and the 15, nothing much. I mean, for this one also it's not moving because not moving too much right now. It had the move, as you can see, and also there are some news. If you go to the Forex Factory, and you can see that 7:30 my time. You can check your time because I don't know all the countries from where you come from. You will see that there are some news with USD, and if euro is continue to stay like this weak and the dollar to gain strength, then the price will continue to go down. The best trader follow the chart, not the signal, so keep going. Yes, keep going. Euro EJ, it's ranging. This one, it's, I really want EJ to see out from this stupid range from here, because it has been for a very long time in this area, and I really like EJ. EJ, it's similar with GJ. Hi Maddie, hi, hello. EJ, it's similar with GJ, and they have it's, let's say, like the baby of GJ, because it's moving slower, but sometimes it can gives you very good profit. And they are moving something like in the same time, because they are correlated with JPY, that's why. So let's go back to this one. Nothing, it's still in the same stupid zone, which I don't like it. I really don't see anything. For some pairs the move already just happened. For this one I have to delete this one. This one, it may come to this area here, and maybe depends on the news from tonight, the price may push more up to here or up to here at 340. You don't know. Euro GBP, now it's, even if it's in this range, I can see that it's trying to escape from this area and to go up. I hope that tomorrow things will change, and sometimes on Friday you will see that the market can shift, that now you can see the price going down and tomorrow the price going up. That means that for Euro GBP, tomorrow for Euro to gain more strength and the price to go up. So you have to see that sometimes there are some days when the price is shifting or in a buy or a sell. It's very interesting how the market, the price can move. EuroCAD, I said about this one, and I think it came down. It was somewhere here, it came down, and I think it has more room to go down. don't know, but everything it's moving so slowly, very, very slowly. I don't know why. Because usually Thursday it's very, you can catch a lot of pips. I mean, the market it's moving so beautifully. Okay, sorry, one moment. Okay, I'm coming back now. We need to catch the London session for catch the big volumes. Yes, you are right, but in the same time, GBP, all the pairs with GBP and USD, they are moving in the New York session. You have to know what, which pairs are moving in the different, how you say, different sessions. Because sometimes some pairs are not moving in the London, sometimes in the New York, some of the pairs are not moving. These things I have them on the lessons, but yes, you are right. I will try to do the London session tomorrow morning, and I will come at 9 o'clock my time. Thank you, Mari. Got to go out. Good luck. Thank you. I will not stay too long because I don't see anything. If I will see something, I will give it on the group. And if it's okay for you, we can do tomorrow the London session. Who is for London session tomorrow? You can say okay, fine on the chat, on the YouTube, and that will be very nice because I didn't do before with you the London session, and like this we can get some beautiful moves tomorrow. I know I live in Albania and I know how is to wake up early in the morning. Yes, sometimes it's so difficult to wake up. Me, I love to sleep, but I have a cat that now he's used to it, that every morning almost at the same hour he's jumping on me, and he's craving for food, and I have to wake up. I wake up at 6 a.m. o'clock for see that the charts to analysis and to look for how going trade, and wait for 9 a.m. to get the trade from the bank institution. What hour? I will when the market is opening, I will be here with you. I will send you the link with, let's say, 20 minutes before, don't worry, and you can Google it when it's the London session opening, because I told you this Google can help you a lot, and you can learn a lot if you don't have time or maybe money or so on to pay the courses. Let's coming back to TJ. yeah, GJ now it's trying to come back down, and now it makes me to think that Eric he was right about this zone, and I saw it differently and he saw in a different way. So maybe this one, it may come back down to retest again this area at first at 141.710. So if you are happy, yes, tomorrow we can do the London session. And now I will go to eat, and in the same time I will look to see if I can find some trades, and I will give it to you, okay? And you can do what Eric did. You can try to be more, how you say, to communicate more with me, and you can give me some your ideas, and you can send charts. I told you you can go to TradingView, it's free. You will make their the account, and you can play on the TradingView. It's very simple and very easy and very beautiful at the same time. And from here, if you don't know how to send a chart, it's simple. You just click here on the camera here, and then you have this link. You will put copy, and then you can send it on the group chat. It's very easy, and like this I can read it, and I can see that you communicate, and you can give me your idea, and that means that if you are doing this, believe me, you will succeed, and you will learn more every day. So guys, I don't see anything very special, and as Madi, I have my account on TradingView, and I am full of analysis on my account in trading. Very good, bravo. I don't know, because I don't follow you. I don't have time. I'm so busy. Believe me. So I'm waiting for you tomorrow. We will do the London session, and I will send it to you the link, and it will be fun, because there the market is moving very beautifully, and for the moment I don't see really much happening, and I hope that tomorrow we will be lucky like we've been yesterday, and we still have 40 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, but nothing really special. I mean, already the moves happened, and we cannot go into a trade. It's better to wait for the next opportunity than to go into a trade now that you don't know where the candle it may go. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the group chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe my page, and I will see you on the Telegram, where we will share more ideas, and if I will find any trade, I will send it to you to have it together. And see you tomorrow on the London session. Thank you so much for watching, and